Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. Jazz Time with your host Bailey. How's it going, everybody? We are on video number 9 of the 30 Days of NAIL-O-WEEN series. Are you having fun? Are you enjoying it? If you are, leave a comment and like up this video. Alright, this one is super cool. I'm calling it Glowy-Eyed Jack-O-Lantern, because it has a little effect using some cateye. So without further ado, let's get to that. And all right, hey, bunny hands. All right. All right. So I am actually starting with a black surface, and this is, of course, 1613 in the Venalisa Pure Color Gel collection. And I have just lightly buffed over this because I am going to use a pencil, because you have to be a little more specific when that's the right word, right? I thought I said Pacific for some reason. You have to be a little more specific when placing the eyes in this. And yeah, so I'll show you guys all the other materials, and then we will get to art. All right, so we are, of course, using black, some white, some l'orange, because it is a jack-o'-lantern and we need to have l'orange. I don't know why I'm turning French today. I will also be using a little bit of this, there it is, IBD Gel Polish 044. This is a bright red. I love this gel polish, just for a little bit of highlight on our pumpkin. And here I have, oh my gosh, I got gas bubbles, y'all. I have, this is Azure Beauty Gel Polish. The number for this one is 7610. It is a orange cat's eye with a yellow shimmer. And I'm not going to use my regular magnet. I'm going to be using a pen magnet because I want the cat's eye part to, oh my gosh, keep choking on my own spit. I want the cat's eye part to be in a certain spot so that it looks like the jack-o'-lantern's glowing within. All right, so very, very important. I'm going to use my pencil. You guys may not be able to see this, but as long as I know where I'm drawing, where the top of my pumpkin is, and the bottom. So my bottom is here, my top is here. Perfect. Okay, so first, oh, and I'm also going to be using Sheila as normal because why not? Let me wipe my tile here. Squeak. Clean tile. Weekaboo, weekaboo. Okay, so I'm going to shake up my gel polish, and I'm going to depot some of this cateye polish onto my tile, because this is going to be the glowy eyes of our pumpkin. Okay, so I'm going to do one eye at a time, and the eyes are kind of like going to be like the feature of this little pumpkin. So there's one. I'm kind of doing like, here, let's zoom in a little bit. Almost like a kitty cat eye shape, if that makes sense. And I'm going to take my glowy, or my pen magnet, and I'm going to hold it. Pen magnets do tend to take a little longer to pull or push. I don't know if it's the type of magnet it is. trying to get it to pull. Well, that one might just not work. I'm probably just going to have to grab my other one. Let's try this. Okay, wrong side. Ooh, I just totally made it disappear. Do you see that? It's all about trial and error with magnets. I both love and hate magnets. Why is that doing that? Poor magnet. It just like totally takes it away. All right, we're going to try some thinner layers. Oh my goodness. I've done this before and it worked. So I don't know why it's being fussy right now. Okay. Ah, thinner layers, yes. So I don't, ooh. You guys see how the light particles are closer to the inner corner than they are the outer corner? Just like that. So we are going to cure for 10 seconds. And then I will do a second coat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So a thin coat. You want that glow in the inner corner. So I'm going to flash that again because cat's eye likes to run. I find if you don't cure between magneting things, if that makes sense, it doesn't, like it'll, like, it's almost like the stuff slides, like it disappears. Well, that's not even, is it? Okay. So because this is going from here, I'm going to push the magnet here. And it will repel the particles to the inner corner. So it looks like the pumpkin glows from the center of its eyeballs because that's the middle of the pumpkin. Yes? Make sense? So then when he shifts, you have that eternal glow. So again, another flash for 10. Do a second. So yes, this magnet repels. It doesn't, it's like a negative. It's not a positive. See? All right, and then we'll do our second coat on our eyeball. And you can actually, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to just add a little bit in the center to help with that effect. So I'm not going to magnet the middles, and I'm going to help it like that with the glow. See how that kind of changes it up? All right, so 10-second cure. Wipe my tile. Ta-da. Yeah, see, this is doesn't stick to it unless it's on a positive corner. See how it's repelling. So you need a positive corner. Negative. Well, hello, Munchkin. How are you? All right, so now that we have our pumpkin eyeballs, let's make the rest of the pumpkin. which is very, very difficult. You have to go around the eyes first. So giving my pumpkin some little bumpy dimensions here. And I'm going to fill him in, and I'm going to do 2 coats to make it opaque. You can also do like a white base and then put your color if you're brave enough. I am not. So I'm going to do that. I'll go to pause. I will cure and then do my second coat off camera.